witness you all to this beautiful annual day celebrations of PSBA Pre-Primary English School Garkheda and PSBA Preschool Ladgaon for the academic year 2025-26. My name is Naitik Ruturaj Pujari. My name is Swanak Kamlesh Dare. My name is Aurora Jones. My name is Apurva Gaikwad. My name is Samartha Gore. My name is Kaviraj Gaikwad. The earth revolves, the sun and moon conspire in this grand cosmic dance. A spectacular story unfolds on our land. So let the music begin and the color shine as we step into the enchanting world of changing seasons. Seasons are the reflection of nature, timeless beauty and life's wonderful cycle. Yes, life is ever changing, ever beautiful like seasons. So let's celebrate the magic of nature, rhythm through song, dances and smile. So please put your hands together for our incredible theme for today's annual function, that is Magic of Seasons. In India, we experience this season through 6 different Rutu. Basant Rutu in the month of Chaitra and Vaishakh. Next arrive Grishma Rutu in the month of Jyeshtha and Ashadh. Next is Varsha Rutu in Shravan and Bhadrapad months. Next is Sharad Rutu in Ashwin and Kartik months. Hemant Rutu arrives in Margashir and Paush months. And the last one is Shirshir Rutu in Magh and Falgun months. So thank you. And enjoy the magic of season through different performances. Thank you. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Hello everyone, my name is Anvisha Suyog Deshpande. My name is Shavya Sagar Kulkarni from senior KG. You know Shavya, in our culture we believe that every auspicious occasion begins by chanting the name of Lord Ganesha. Yes, Anvisha, Ganpati Bappa is the Lord of wisdom. Yes, Lord Ganesha's divine blessings transform efforts into success and worries into confidence. So let's start our program by offering prayers to Lord Ganesha through a beautiful Ganesh Vandana. Please welcome our energetic performance with a big round of applause. Thank you.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुक मनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि